Welcome to this step-by-step guide on getting IPTV Smarters for free. Start by ensuring your Firestick is connected to the internet and is functioning properly. Navigate to your Firestick settings and ensure you allow apps from unknown sources. Proceed by downloading and installing the Downloader app from the Amazon App Store. Open the Downloader app and in the URL section, enter the app link for IPTV Smarters. Once downloaded, select the Install option to add IPTV Smarters to your Firestick. After installation, launch the IPTV Smarters app to begin your free streaming experience. To fully capitalize on IPTV Smarters, create a profile using your chosen IPTV service. Navigate the app's user-friendly interface to explore various content categories available. Don't miss out on accessing premium channels, movies, and shows at no extra cost. If you're looking for a reliable service, 2TV.store is highly recommended for top streaming content. With 2TV, experience uninterrupted streaming, excellent support, and a vast array of content. Take caution to periodically update and maintain your IPTV Smarters app for optimal performance. Should you encounter issues, checking your internet connectivity always resolves primary glitches. Feel free to explore the vast world of IPTV and discover endless entertainment possibilities. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more guides on enhancing your streaming experience.